Are you a BTech student lost in the world of coding? Python, HTML, web dev. Where do you even start? I'm 18, I'm a student just like you, and I built the exact 60-day roadmap to take us from confused to coding.
Subscribe now for more videos. Let's start.
BTech student thoughts. How to start? What is hackathon? What is Python? We lot of questions and confusions. Oh ho, stop thinking gusy. I'm here. Let's practice our coding journey together.
Subscribe now for more videos.
Let's start our session. Open your book, write down timetable.
What is coding? Simply coding is instructs to computer for specific tasks, and computer don't understand language like Telugu English, that's why. We can use programming language like HTML, CSS, JavaScript like that.
Why is it useful for you? Since you are working on your 60-day coding challenge and building your coding is the magic behind the scenes that allows you to build websites using HTML, structure, CSS, style, and JavaScript, action, solve problems, using Python to automate tasks or analyze data, create tools, developing apps that people can use to solve daily problems.
I want to say full-stack developer and software developer. Front-end, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React/Angular, and back-end, Node.js, Python, Java, technologies, along with database management, SQL/NoSQL, API design, and version control, Git/GitHub. Developers must also understand cloud deployment, AWS, DevOps basics, Docker, and possess strong problem-solving and debugging skills.
Software developer skills combine technical proficiency in programming languages, e.g., Python, Java, JavaScript, data structures, and algorithms with crucial soft skills like problem-solving, debugging, and teamwork. Modern developers must also master version control, Git, cloud computing, and adapt to rapid technological shifts. Here is skills requirements for full-stack and software engineer. Write down your notes. This is very important for clarity to choose correct roadmap.
I'm a BTech student, and like many of you, I realized that college lectures aren't enough to get a job in 2026. Companies don't want to see your degree, they want to see your code. So, I'm starting a 60-day challenge. 1 hour of deep coding every single day. No distractions, just the grind to make my software dream.
Choose best path: Wave web development or software developer. I will post daily one video for web development and software developer, but select correct wave. What are you interested on? That's it. With you for full guidance.
Step 2 is the roadmap. You can't reach a destination without a map, and most students get stuck in tutorial hell because they don't have a timeline. My 60-day challenge is broken into 4 distinct phases to make me job ready. How to start coding. I'm here to say let's practice together 1 yard's next session. Laptop is mandatory for coding. But as a BTech student, the time is going to pass anyway. You can either spend it just attending lectures, or you can spend it building your future. If you're feeling stuck or overwhelmed, subscribe and follow my daily 1-hour updates. Let's prove that we don't need a fancy office or a huge team to build so. Now your work is select one path and best. A web developer's world is all about the HTTP protocol. They ensure that when you type a web address, everything looks perfect and works smoothly. Front end, the face of the site. They use GSAP for animations and CSS for layouts. Back end, the brain behind the curtain. They manage databases and servers so your login info or shopping cart stays saved. Focus, responsiveness, working on both phones and PCs, SEO, and UI/UX design. 2. The software developer. A software developer has a broader, often more technical scope. They create applications like Photoshop, Microsoft Word, or the mobile apps you download from an app store. System architecture. They focus heavily on how data flows through a complex system and how to make that system handle millions of users without crashing. Versatility. They might build an app that doesn't even need the internet to function. Focus, memory management, heavy computations, and deep integra. Which path feels more like you? If you love instant visual feedback and making things look beautiful and interactive for the public to see, web development is usually the favorite. If you enjoy deep logic puzzles, building heavy-duty systems, or working on specialized hardware, like AI or robotics, software development might be your calling. Let's select best for path. You think you're wasting time, but no, here's good platform. Stop watching, start planning. Phase 1. Python logic, interview ready. Phase 2, creative coding, GSAP mastery. Phase 3, building the full stack. Phase 4, launching the career. Write down your notes.
You don't need any experience to build your own website. Watch this. I go to same.new, type in a simple web game with fun design, hit enter, and let it do the work. In seconds, it's cloning everything, no coding, no setup. And just like that, I have a fully functional web game ready to customize. Like this web game, virtual pianos, even iPhone clones. People are building incredible...
I'm here. Let's practice our coding journey together.
Subscribe now for more videos.
Let's start our session. Open your book, write down timetable.